Did you know in Starla version 1.3B you can change her skin tone? This is how you can do it. On Vtube Studio, click this. Then click Customized Model. Then choose Customize Multiply Screen Color. Next, choose what skin tone do you want to use. For example, we want to make Starla with brown skin. We already had hex code available for you to copy. Now click on the part of body you want to change the skin tone. Turn on the slider and copy the hex code on Multiply. And then Screen. Now try to change another part. If you want to change to the same color, you can just use Paste Last Multiply Color. You can also do it in Screen Color. Now you can see the result. She looks cute, right?